Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in today's video I wanted to talk to you about a Google penalty. So if you have noticed that your website dropped in organic Google rank quite drastically, so for example for one of our clients, the case was that her website dropped from page 1 to page 18 in the time of 3 months. So this is a huge and unnatural drop, and what I suggested is to review Google Analytics. So I have checked her Google Analytics account, which obviously showed me that the traffic dropped, but the main cause for the traffic, as it turns out, it wasn't any organic activity that was happening. What was happening? She received a number of very toxic backlinks coming from South Korea. My suggestion was maybe she bought a backlink package in the last 3 months, and perhaps the SEO specialist who performed this package, who created the backlinks, created very harmful backlinks because they were all coming from South Korea. They were not related to the niche in whatsoever, and obviously they caused a lot of harm. So my suggestion was to go through the backlinks, check those two that are harmful. Apparently, there was over 70% of those backlinks, which obviously was the reason why the traffic dropped. They started appearing between January and March this year, so we are here now in September. So obviously they took some time before they actually harmed the website, because when they were created 8 months ago and the traffic dropped 3 months ago, obviously it took Google quite a long time to really take them into consideration. So removing them or disavowing them obviously will solve the problem. It might take a few months to get back to the original ranking, because the website ranked on page 1, but obviously it took Google quite a few months to really take those harmful backlinks into consideration. So after disavowing them, it will take an equal amount of time to restore the original rank. So if you think that your website has been penalized by Google, if you notice that your organic Google rank is much lower, if your organic traffic dropped in the last few months, I don't know why, because you still do the same marketing strategy, you still work on Facebook ads and so on. The answer could be harmful backlinks. So do contact me if you suspect that your website is penalized by Google. What I will do, I will go through your backlinks, I will analyze your backlinks using our in-house tool, and I will disavow them in your Google Search Console, so those backlinks will no longer be taken into consideration by Google, and your website and your Google rank, organic rank, will slowly start recovering, will recover to the original position as it was before those backlinks. And another suggestion, if you are hiring obviously backlink specialist, make sure to check his referrals, his credentials, because it's so easy to create a backlink in terms of a number, but it can be harmful if it comes from unrelated website. And if you like this video, please click like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO news, and I'll speak with you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy.